kills. Man, I like that lean, man, I like pouring up. When I hit the stove, grab me a triple cup. Grab me some switches so I can roll up. Then I hit the block so I can pull up. Pull up. Then I hit the block so I can pull up. When I leave the store, you know I got some switches in the triple cup, so I can roll and probably pull up. Hey, I'm about to roll it, about to pull it up. Niggas talking crazy, about to shoot 'em up. On the block, yeah, I get it with my damn dogs. You a little ass nigga, you a damn pup. Hey, going hard on with my niggas, we rolling up. But I'm pulling up, moving slow as fuck. Got your bitch up on me and she tryna roll some up. Told that bitch come here, she can go and suck these nuts. Suck 'em bitch, suck 'em bitch, suck 'em. Hey, I'm going crazy, yeah, I was crazy, man. The bitch talking to me like you crazy, man. I'm like, bitch, I know it's that lean in that weed. But it got a nigga running back like a fiend. And when I hit the stove, gotta grab some more cups, gotta grab some more blunts. Man, I keep rolling up, pulling up, more cups. Man, I can't get enough. Moonwalking Michael Jackson in this bitch, nigga. Hey. Pull up. When I hit the stove, you know I grab some cups. You know I grab some blunts so I can roll them up. You like rolling weed, I like to pull up. But I'm finna go and grab both so we can roll and pull up. Pull up, pull up. Rolling bout to pull up. Hey. Finna rolling bout to pull up. Hey. Rolling and I'm pulling up. If I roll up, then I gotta pull up. Catch this nigga lacking, got my pole up. If these niggas talking, tell them hold it up. Cause I got a check, bitch, I'ma hold it up. Man, I'm with the fucking gang in that 7-4 GDN. I ain't never been a damn stain. Run up on me, boy, best believe I get your ass banged. I'm with them damn bees, yeah, them bees go insane. We bustin' at your brain. Jolly roll, killers, you already know how we roll, boy, we'll kill you. Yeah, we go gorillas, man. Shout out to my niggas.